Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can monetize your TikTok fast, including all the options you can use to make money. So first thing is to switch your account to a business account. To do that, open TikTok, then go to your profile, tap the three lines at the top right, then go to the settings and privacy, accounts, then switch to business or creator account. You need this to unlock monetization features. So the first method is by joining the Creator Rewards program. And to do that, click on the three lines at the top right, then click on Creator Tools. After that, click on Creator Funds. Then on here, you need to apply. The requirements are being at least 18 years old, having at least 10,000 followers, and having 100,000 views in the past 30 days. The second monetization method is by using TikTok Shop as an affiliate. This is one of the best ways to earn fast. To do that, go to Creator Tools, then TikTok Shop, then apply as an affiliate. You can pick products to promote in your videos and earn commission every time someone buys through your link. The third method is by going live and collecting gifts. If you have 1,000 followers, you can go live. Viewers can send you gifts, which you can convert into real money. So go live often and interact with your audience. The fourth method is by enabling TikTok subscription. If you qualify, you can turn on live subscriptions. People pay monthly to subscribe to your live streams and get exclusive badges, emojis, and perks. To do that, go to Creator Tools, then Live Subscription to check if it is available for you. The fifth method is by promoting music for artists. A lot of rising artists pay creators to use their songs in videos. Join platforms like Playlist Push, IndieFlow, or even check TikTok's creator marketplace. You get paid for using specific songs. It's easy cash if you have a good reach. The sixth method is by brand deals and sponsorship. Once you grow your page, brands will reach out for sponsored content. You can also sign up for TikTok Creator Marketplace where brands find creators for collabs. The seventh method is by selling your own products or services. As a bonus tip, I recommend you to post 2 to 3 times daily using trending sounds, viral formats, and always add a hook in the first 3 seconds. Also stay consistent and reply to comments to boost engagement. And that's it. Those are all the ways you can make money on TikTok in 2025, fast and easy. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.